These are our new touchscreen IBT controls. They have easier serviceability, a simplified installation, and higher capabilities than old controls with the same functionality. You can still turn the blower on with the push of a button. You can also easily change the set point. Go into heating. Go from 70 to 75 if we're cool in the space. Go back to the main menu. We also have some higher capabilities with these controls in terms of programming VFDs and mixing boxes. So that all the VFDs will now be set through this control rather than through the VFD parameters itself. So you're only going to have to go into one control, one programming menu to set up everything up for the whole unit. Mixing box controls, mixing box percentage will be operated similarly. We also have scheduling capabilities with this control, so we won't be using our 365-day stat anymore. We'll be using this for indirect fired units. We also have averaging sensor and room override capabilities with these new controls, as well as added cooling controls. So we now have discharge and space, temp, cooling controls through this controller. For serviceability, one nice feature with these is if you go in, there's an active faults list. We have no faults right now, as you can see, but if we did have something going on, it would show up in the active faults. The tech could go in, look at what the fault is, and it would tell him where he needs to do additional checking or parts that need to be replaced. The last thing to mention with these new controls is that they only require a Cat 5 cable connection. So we're no longer going to be running 120 volt power from the unit down into the space. It'll just be a simple Cat 5 connection. Engineering did a lot of testing. They actually tested up to 1,500 feet, so distance shouldn't be an issue from the unit to the remote panel.